Melodious voices lovingly greet you today. In the portals of Mount Bethany, welcome to our annual day. A home of knowledge, growth and values crystal clear. A hearty welcome we extend to you today. Come and bless us this day. Shall we on your blessing guest? Welcome we welcome. With warm hearts and bright smiles, welcome we welcome. Shall we on your blessing guest? Welcome we welcome. With warm hearts and bright smiles, welcome we welcome. Gratefully we say you're precious and love. Welcome we welcome. We are children, sing for you today. Welcome we welcome. Joyously gathered in wondrous moments of harmony. Enkindle in you a spark of love and peace. Share it with all far and near. Springs of kindness, forgiveness, love and mercy. Join compatible during this mercy year and build a better world. Shall we on your blessing guest? Welcome we welcome. With warm hearts and bright smiles, welcome we welcome. Shall we on your blessing guest? Welcome we welcome. With warm hearts and bright smiles, welcome we welcome. Gratefully we say you're precious and love. Welcome we welcome. We are children, sing for you today. Welcome we welcome. May the joy and warmth your little nightingale share bring inspiration to gaze your children there. Enjoy your program today. We are strengthened by the blessings of your loving care. God be with you ever, always our fervent prayer. May He always keep us safe. Shall we on your blessing guest? Welcome we welcome. With warm hearts and bright smiles, welcome we welcome. Shall we on your blessing guest? Welcome we welcome. With warm hearts and bright smiles, welcome we welcome. Gratefully we say you're precious and love. Welcome we welcome. We are children, sing for you today. Welcome we welcome. Welcome we welcome. Welcome we welcome.
A warm welcome to one and all to Mount Bethany Public School to the academic year 2021-22. Hope all of you are keeping safe and healthy. Mount Bethany Public School, with its motto Sa Vidyai Vimuktai, which means wisdom that liberates, focused on the holistic development of the child. With the theme of molding lives to live in this world, in this challenging world, we are moving forward to overcome the challenges together with utmost care and patience. Due to pandemic situation, this year also we'll be continuing our learning process through online platform. There will be continuing assessment and evaluation of students. Teachers will be helping you to clarify your doubts. This year, a large number of students have joined us. I take this opportunity to welcome all newcomers and all students to Mount Bethany family. I place my thanks and welcome to all parents, all well-wishers and teachers to this academic year, who always have been a source of inspiration and cooperation. Due to pandemic situation, this year also will continue our learning process through online platform. Through online platform also, teachers will be helping you to clarify your doubts. We'll be having continuous evaluation and assessment. This year, a large number of students have joined us. I take this opportunity to welcome all newcomers and all students to this academic year. Wishing you all a very fruitful academic year. Thank you.
Hi all, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, our dear teachers, my dear students and respected parents. A very good morning to all of you. As we all know, we are fortunate enough to begin another new academic year 2021-22. Right in the beginning, I thank God the Almighty for allowing all of us to enter into this new academic year. We all have a lot of expectations. We all have a lot of targets before us to be completed in and through this academic year. Our society and world are struggling a lot to survive due to the pressure and difficulties of the pandemic COVID-19. Amidst all these difficulties, we are beginning yet another academic year so that the academic sojourn of our students may be continued without any difficulties or struggles. My dear students, right in the beginning of this academic year, I invite you all personally to this institution, Mount Bethany Public School, Kumbada. You may have a wonderful time with us, especially the freshers. I assure you that you will have a wonderful time with all our teachers and the school fraternity. My simple advice to all of you, to both the freshers and the old-timers, we should be serious enough with our studies because it is very challenging nowadays. We are not coming to school regularly because of the situational pressure. We are confined to the online platform to continue our studies. So, my dear students, be assured of the fact that we are regularly and eagerly attending the classes taken by our beloved teachers. Try to have a very personal interest for the studies so that you can achieve something by the end of the year. Have a passion for the studies, have a good communication with your teachers, have the freedom to communicate with your fellow students and all. I wish all of you a wonderful time and I thank all of you, especially to the parent community. I thank all of you for continuing with us for one more academic year. May God the Almighty bless all of us. And this year we have taken the theme, Molding Lives to Live in a Challenging World. We have taken this topic very deliberately because, as we rightly know, the challenges are manifold in today's society. So our task is, as a school fraternity, our task is to mold and form our beloved students so that they may courageously live in this world. I pray for that and I wish all the best to all our parents and students, and in a special way I welcome both the freshers and newcomers to our school and have a wonderful academic year ahead. God bless you all. Have a nice day and thank you.
Now we will inaugurate the academic year traditionally by lighting the lamp.
ആരംഭിക്കുന്ന പുതിയ അധ്യയന വർഷത്തിന് പേരൻസിൻ്റെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്ന് മൗണ്ട് വിൻ സ്കൂളിന് എല്ലാവിധമായ ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു.